Hey everybody, Gina DeLuca here. Again with the DecoArt pouring medium and Liquitex Basics in Cobalt, Deep Violet, Naphthol Crimson, which has been mixed a bit with Cadmium Yellow Deep Hue. And I also have some quinacridone and magenta. Just did a ring pour with these colors and stuck the bottom of my cup in my pour. So if you'd like a laugh, you can go watch the last video. But today, this video, I will be doing a traveling, wandering ring pour, whatever you would like to call it. This pouring medium does get thick pretty quickly, so I've had to add some water to it. It is not recommended that you do so, but it is what it is. It was too thick to pour. So let me put some paint in a cup. I will start with a bit of white and then white, yellow, crimson, magenta, violet, blue, we'll do yellow again, do a touch of white here. And then I'm just repeating those colors. Okay, that is enough. Wear gloves, this stuff is very sticky. All right, let me plop down a bit of a base coat so the paint has something to slide around on. This is not going to be enough, but it's better than nothing, I guess. Okay, this is a far from perfect base coat coverage, but let's just do it anyway. All right, I'll start down here. I'm having a day. A day of drips and woes. All right, let's move this about. I'm not loving this right here. Let's see what I can do about that without ruining everything else. Okay, I can live with that. All right, well, here it is. Definitely like this better than the last one. Like this little section right there. Very rainbowy. I like this down here a lot too. So, there it is. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. And as always, I hope you have a beautiful day. Go make some art.